So let's jump into unit 1. Unit 1 is basics about additive manufacturing definition. This is the definition of additive manufacturing process. The additive manufacturing process of joining materials to make objects from 3D model data. Obviously, the model data can be extracted from any three-dimensional software. Is you going to import it in additive manufacturing system as some formats like STL format. So after that, importing into STL format, the machine can read the design. After that, the parts is created by layer manner. Okay, it is opposed to subtractive manufacturing methodologies. So obviously in subtractive machining process, the machining is done by removing the parts. Okay, so in additive manufacturing system, we are going to create the parts by layer manner, so that we can reduce the materials. Okay, so it is also commonly called as 3D printing. Obviously you know that. Okay, next we are going to see about AM evolution. So AM evolution, first of all, it started in 1988 to 1994. So in that period, rapid prototyping technologies been evolved. Okay, so after in 1994, the rapid casting evolved. In 1995, the rapid tooling. So here we can see that the pattern. So this is the pattern which is created in rapid prototyping technique. So here in first diagram we can easily see that this is the pattern which is created by rapid prototyping technique. This is the exact gear for any some machines. Obviously some machines, this is the helical gear, I think so. In 1995, the rapid tooling been introduced. The rapid tooling is the technique we can easily create tools or directly or indirectly. Okay, so in 2021, AM for automatic structure. So first the AM process is used for automotive process. The automotive parts can be created using additive manufacturing technique. So in 2004, aerospace polymers can be used. In 2005, medical. In 2019, medical implants could be done. Okay, 2011 aerospace materials. So something here 2013 to 16 nano manufacturing process developed. In 2013 to the architectural process. Oh, this is the most commonly used. So additive manufacturing is mostly used in biomedical areas, which is used to create the implants. So that will be implanted in our body in case of any injuries, shoulder injuries, knee injuries, spine injuries also. So 2019 to 22, in situ biomachining process, biomanufacturing. So this will be explained in previous sorry in this will be explained in further classes also. Okay, this is the AM evolution. Okay. Okay, so this is the additive manufacturing processing. We have eight steps to complete the process. So first one is conceptualization and CAD. So this is the basic idea is conceptualized, and it can be the 3D prototype 3D model is done by using any CAD softwares. So after that, in second step, the conversion of STL. So the STL is called stereolithography format. So this can be or this only understand by the additive manufacturing machines, so that we can convert into CAD models or convert CAD model into STL format. Then the transfer and manipulation, some settings can be done in this step. So okay, so then after that, the machining setup. So machining setup for creating the base layer is done. So after that, build. So build is obviously you can know that the rapid prototyping or additive manufacturing is based on layer by layer technique. So first we can create the base layer. After that, the further layers are be created above the base layer. Okay, so the part removal and the cleanup process is done in 6 steps. So after that, post processing. So unlike conventional process, the post processing very much important in additive manufacturing process. So the cleaning work will be done. So in that, the copy mug will be the copy mug developed in CAD software, then transfer into STL format. The after the machining setup, the base layer can be created using this bottom layer, the bottom table. After that, the removal of material and post process is done. After that, the applications, the we can after that, the cup can be used for any household applications or some industrial applications. Okay, this is the additive manufacturing process chain. These okay. So let's move on to the exact. Okay, saying this is the process. Okay, first as I already told that the CAD model can be created in any three-dimensional softwares. This is the 3D printing machine, so additive manufacturing machine. So here the base layer is done, start layer by layer process is done here. Here you can see this is the base layer of the here the layers are created in the it is the halfway of the process, and this is the complete process. Here the part you can clearly see that this is the 3D model and this is the finished product. So exactly looking like this, right? So this is created by using very rapidly, so that's why the method is called rapid prototyping. Okay, so let's move on to AM applications. So AM applications, it can be AM can be used in these vast industries, so aerospace industries, like dental industries, automotive industries, jewelry. They were very much important, of very much usage in biomedical applications. I already told that the implants, which will implanted in our body during injuries, for surgical devices, for electronics in sports also, AM process were very much useful, toys creation, prosthetics and furnitures. So the AM application is very vast, as I already told that these are the various applications of additive manufacturing techniques.